Hey everybody, my name is Christian and this is Curing Cabin Fever, a brand new channel on YouTube where I've recently started to vlog my outdoor adventures. I'm just a regular family guy who loves to get out of the house whenever I can and into the outdoors. Springtime is here and summer is just around the corner. What that means for me and my channel is I'm going to be doing a lot more fishing from the beach, fishing for blue crabs, surfing, hopefully some camping, maybe even some stealth camping. Most of my adventures don't require a lot of money, effort, or commitment, but are a whole lot of fun. If you enjoy coastal backyard adventures and outdoor activities, be sure to check this channel out. So come along and see some of the ways that I cure my cabin fever. Hope you enjoy. God bless.